So what's going on, guys? It's Zed here. How are you all doing today? Hopefully everything is marvelously, fantastically amazing for you guys as always. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is basically I'm going to be showing you a speeded up version or even a quick version of the installation that I did for my my two 140mm fans and my 120mm fan also, and then of course syncing up with RAM effects, also the installation of the RAM and the other effects that go along with that as well throughout the course of this video. It's not a long one. Everything is pretty much speeded up because I know how long and boring and everything else videos. If I left this video as it was meant to be, it would be around about 20 minutes of me just faffing about, screwing things in here, left, right, center, etc, etc. But anyway, we're not about that. You're going to enjoy some music, you're going to sit there, and if you could watch to the end, let me know what you think, guys, down in the comments below. I do apologize for the lighting, I didn't quite get it bang on for this, but yeah, there may be a few little small Easter eggs in here as well, so yeah, make sure to stay tuned for that. Please watch to the end, guys. As I say, awesome content. Well, it's mainly just me screwing things in and building everything else. If you call that awesome, that's fantastic. But anyways, as it is, guys, as it is. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And as always, for the end of the video and everything else, Zed out.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you